QuizPlatter. A platter full of knowledge. Skin quiz. What is the primary function of the skin? Answer: A. Protect the body. How many layers does the skin have? Answer: D. 3. Which layer of the skin contains blood vessels and nerves? Answer: B. Dermis. Which layer of skin is the outermost? Answer: C. Epidermis. Which cells in the skin produce pigment? Answer: A. Melanocytes. Which protein gives skin strength and elasticity? Answer: B. Collagen. Which glands produce sweat? Answer: D. Sweat glands. Which glands produce oil to keep skin moisturized? Answer: C. Sebaceous glands. What is the layer of fat under the skin called? Answer: A. Hypodermis. Which skin layer contains hair follicles? Answer: B. Dermis. What is the main pigment responsible for tanning? Answer: C. Melanin. Which skin layer is responsible for fingerprints? Answer: D. Dermis. Which cells detect touch and pressure? Answer: A. Merkel cells. What is the thickened layer of dead cells on the epidermis called? Answer: C. Stratum corneum. What is the approximate total area of adult human skin? Answer: B. 1.5 to 2 square meters. QuizPlatter. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment.